Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Kanpur to inaugurate the completed section of the Kanpur Metro Rail project. The Prime Minister will also be inspecting the Metro Rail project and will be undertaking metro ride from the IIT metro station to Geeta Nagar. Straight away going across to Sumi now. Sumi, it's not just the Metro Rail project. The Prime Minister is also set to inaugurate several other multi-project pipeline project and also will be attending the IIT Kanpur convocation ceremony.
Yes, absolutely. The entire city, industrial city of Kanpur has been decked up with flowers for the grand welcome of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to this city. And in fact, I would also like my video journalist Abhishek to kindly pan the camera and show the kind of decor that the city has gone through. And as you were talking about the projects, yes, this is the IIT Kanpur metro stretch that has completed its 9-kilometer stretch. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also become the first passenger to take this particular stretch, which will now be inaugurated, and this particular stretch from IIT Kanpur will go up to Geeta Jheel. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi will get down at Geeta Nagar, and in fact he will also inaugurate and be a part of the convocation ceremony of IIT. And in fact, the 9-kilometer long section, this particular 9-kilometer long section, as I was mentioning, stretches from IIT to Moti Jheel in the city. And according to the information that we have been constantly receiving from PMO, he will also undertake a ride from IIT Metro to Geeta Nagar after the inauguration. And the entire stretch, let me just tell you, the entire stretch of the entire Kanpur Metro Rail project of the 32 kilometers has been built at a cost of whopping 11,000 crore. And at the 54th convocation ceremony also of the IIT Kanpur, he will also hand out and he will also issue digital degrees through an in-house blockchain-driven technology that has been developed by the institute itself under the National Blockchain Project. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also launch the blockchain-based digital degrees that will have its validation as well as it will be unforgeable anywhere in the world. And apart from all these projects, Prime Minister is also scheduled to inaugurate the 356-kilometer long Bina-Banki multi-pipeline project, and the project has a capacity of producing 3.45 million metric tons per annum. And these are the projects that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to inaugurate, and we are witnessing the kind of decor and the heightened security here. We see several contingency of the Uttar Pradesh police spread across the metro station, making sure that the law and order stays put. And in fact, not just this metro station, the entire stretch of the metro station has been decked up for the grand welcome of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been constantly visiting the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it is a poll-bound state. It is going to witness the elections early next year in the month of February and March. And before that, the entire state of Uttar Pradesh has been undergoing a refurbishment because the kind of projects that are getting inaugurated.
Tell us more of the convocation ceremony there, Sumi, because this is the 54th convocation ceremony at the IIT Kanpur, and we are expecting the Prime Minister there at around 11 a.m. And what we are told that all of the students will be issued digital degrees through an in-house blockchain-driven technology that has been developed at the institute itself.
Yes, absolutely. Apart from the inauguration of this particular metro station, he's also scheduled to take part in the 54th convocation ceremony of IIT. And as you correctly pointed out, all of the children will get a proper address from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in fact, they will be issued a digital degree that will be unforgeable across the world. And in fact, it has been prepared by a blockchain technology that has been developed in the institute itself. And these digital degrees will also see inauguration by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And these projects are lined up, have been scheduled for the Prime Minister and for the Prime Minister to inaugurate. But before that, the kind of preparation that we are witnessing here on the ground is also massive. Security has been intact, and in fact, apart from that, all of the metro stations have been decked up. And yes, like 500 meters from now, here is the IIT institution from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive at 11 and will also address the students before inaugurating the metro as well as the Bina-Banki multi-project pipeline project.
So several projects that will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister himself, and of course on the completion of the metro project itself, it is being said that nearly 40 lakh passengers will be benefiting from it, and the state aims to run the metro in maximum 9 cities. We'll come back to you. Thanks very much, Sumi, for the moment.